Hey guys, how we doing? I got like half a pterodactyl to actually cook up into other things. So tonight, you know, after Christmas, that bird, the size of a pterodactyl, I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to lie to you. Thing's huge. But it means that we can make other meals with it afterwards. Tonight, I'm going to make curry. You want to see my turkey curry? Then let's go. Do it. Before we do that though, go hit the subscribe button. If you want to see this and other videos, you know, that'd be really cool. And hit the little bell icon. Choose all. Then you'll see more videos from me. You'll know when I'm coming. And then hit the thumbs up. That'd be really cool. And then other people get to see my video too, which would be even better. So we're going to pot now. So come this way. Okay, so here's our big pot. And we're going to start off with some coconut oil. And I'm just going to put in a couple of tablespoons of that. Oh, that's all I've got left. And no. See, we'll probably eat this tonight and then just put the rest in the freezer. So we've got it for meals for again. This will make a lot of curry, so just be aware of that. Let's turn that on, might help, hey? There we go. Now into that, we're going to chuck in a giant onion. If I can get it out from underneath you. Stop sitting on it, guys, come on. Give me a second. There we go, I got it. Right. One big onion, that's going in there like that. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put in a teaspoon each of ground coriander and ground cumin, which I've done together, so I'm just going to put in 2 spoons of that. This is quite a big curry. I'm also going to chuck in a couple of bay leaves. There we go, a couple of bay leaves. Yum, yum, yum. We're also going to put in a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now I use garlic powder instead of fresh garlic because my partner Tanny is allergic to the gas that garlic gives off. So there we go. But he seems to be okay when I cook with this. Now, the other thing we have is ground coriander. You can use ground ginger. You can use fresh if you want. I'm just using what we've got. So all of that's gone in there. And then I need to find my magic wand. Oof. So I can start stirring that up a bit. Woo, there we go. Yum, yum, yum. We want to saute the onions down a bit so that, you know, they soften. As the other veg that we're going to put in here are leftover veg from Christmas dinner. So, you know, they don't take a lot of cooking. Not a lot of cooking at all. Right. So, I think probably time to chuck in our murky bird. Now this is that much of the turkey. We've probably got in there the equivalent of about half a breast or a full breast. This one's half a breast actually because we used the other half for Christmas. Half a leg, so probably the thigh. And whatever other meat we could get off from the one side of the bird. So, yeah. Alright. Get all that mixed in going. There we go. Nice! And next thing we're going to do, we're going to grab some of our steamed veg from the other day. We're not going to use all of it because we want some of this for another recipe. Right, so we're going to put in some of that cauliflower nice big pieces so Tani can pick them out because he doesn't like them. Or I can pick them out when I'm serving it because he doesn't like them. Yeah, go into that right now. And a good handful of the peas and beans. Ouch. There we go. They're in there. Now, we also had sautéed vegetables. Sautéed greens anyway, because Tani prefers them that way. I actually do as well. So we're going to chuck in some of this, which is, this mix is like Brussels sprouts, broccoli, cabbage and leeks that have all been sautéed together. We're going to chuck a few of those in as well. There we go. Yum, yum, yum. Chuck them all in. Alright. We've got loads and loads in there now. Oof. There we go. Looking good. Smelling pretty good. Now, next thing we have to put in a little bit of lemon juice. We're going to do that. I've got some lemon juice that we saved up from doing citrus peels. So probably about 2-3 tablespoons. There we go. All done. Right. Next we want some tomatoes. I've got 2 tins of crushed tomatoes. 400 gram tins, just the normal ones. 1 and oops, 2, and then I've got oat cream. I'm going to put half of this in here, so that's about 160 ml. Yeah, half of that's going in there because it is quite a big curry. And we're going to put some plain free from yogurt in here as well. Now, we don't do a lot of dairy around here at all. We prefer it this way because it's not as rich. Doesn't leave us feeling quite so bloated after eating. So yeah, we tend to go plant-based where it's dairy most of the time. You can of course put real cream, real yogurt, as long as it's plain yogurt. I'm putting half that tub in there, and that tub's what? Ooh. I don't know, 500 grams, so it's 250 grams of the yogurt has gone in there. Yeah, all we got to do now is stir and let it simmer. Okay, so give it a stir, really good stir, and we're going to let it simmer off all by itself. Okay, now we're going to let it simmer there for, I don't know, actually it seems to need some more stock. I'm just going to add some water to it because it just needs that little oomph, I think. Okay, so we're just going to do that. It's probably about a cup of water to that, just to give it a little bit of liquid because it did look fairly thick. So we want to chuck all that in there like that. Oh, we're done. Right, that now has to simmer carefully for a good 10-15 minutes. That sounds about right to me. Yep, and I will see you in a bit. Okay, I'm an idiot. I realised because the colour was wrong, I didn't add the 2 teaspoons of Garam Masala to it, so there we go. Done. That was good, wasn't it? The recipe's down below in the comments, in the description, guys, so I will make sure everything that I put in here is in it. But yeah, this is a no heat curry as well, because my Tani is not used to heat. He's not very good at heat. He doesn't mind things like a gently spiced sausage, but it's got to be really gentle. So yeah, there we go. Right, now I'm going to leave that alone. Okay, so it's all been simmering for ages. It's got that lovely kind of orangey colour, which is yum. Now at this point, if your sauce is if you don't like a really thin sauce, you could add some corn flour to this. You know, make a little bit of a slurry, corn flour slurry. A couple of tablespoons of corn flour will thicken that right up. But we're good with it as it is. Tanny's been cooking the rice, and we will see you at the table. Looking pretty yummy. Yummy, scrummy. Tanny's got himself a big bowl too. We'll just have to see how he goes with it. Hey, we got light. Yay. Now in that big bowl that I made, that big pot, there is probably enough for 12 people.
Feed the entire world. Yeah,
about 12 people. So for us, that's 6 meals just in that pot. So we're going to bag all those up and they'll go in the freezer then. So we don't have to worry about meals. You tell me how you think it is, my love. Is it... Is it warm, love? It did just come out of the pot.
Could do with a bit more curry powder.
Yeah. If we thickened the sauce, that might have helped, because then it would coat actually the vegetables rather than just sitting on the bottom in the rice.
Yeah, well, oh well. It's one of them things, isn't it? Did you take the bay leaf out of your thingy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Be taking it out of yours?
No, because I didn't put it in mine. I just crumb in yours.
Oh, thanks for that.
You're quite alright. You should have took it out then, shouldn't you?
Really?
Part-time chefs.
Really?
How's the rice? Cooked to perfection?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's lovely, thank you. Yeah, we needed to thicken up the sauce a bit, love.
Mm-hmm.
I know you said not to, but it actually needs it.
I don't know. It just needs a bit more curry powder in it, I think.
Mm.
I think with water as well, because it's only weak curry powder.
Well, I put my own seasonings in it as well.
Yeah.
You wait till tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Tomorrow, when this has had chance for the seasoning to settle.
Yeah. Okay. It's up to you then.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, guys, so this is a win. We put this down as a win. Yahoo! Okay, I will put the recipe down below in the description. And see you guys later on. Bye-bye.